So how to edit picture in Davinci Resolve. So I have this picture. Now I'm going to drag and drop this picture in edit page timeline. Now I'm just going to apply dynamic zoom right here in inspector. Just enable this, and now I'm going to select the easy in, and if we play we have a simple zoom out. And if you want to zoom in, then just click on this swap and it will zoom in the picture. Perfect. Now you can apply the effects if you want to. I'm going to just apply this zoom blur. Go to the effects to control the effect and its position like this. This is perfect. Now I'm going to the color page to color grade this clip, zoom in, and using the color wrapper I'm just going to color grade this. Perfect. Now go to the primaries and using the gain, bring the gain down, gamma up, increase the lift, gamma up. Now increase the contrast and 10% mid detail. Now go to the curve, bring this down. Now I'm not going to do that. Now I'm going to increase the saturation to 70%. This is before and this is after. Now how to save this clip. Increase. First I'm going to increase the shadow and decrease the mid and detail. So this is before and this is after. So how to save this picture? Right click, select the grab still, go to the gallery, and this is our still. Now right click here and select export. Now change this to JPG and select a location and just export this. And this is our picture. Now if you want to save this as a video, just go to the deliver and select the YouTube or any of these options. Rename that file, select a location, and then add to render queue and just render this, and it will save this as a clip. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.